and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I have some beautiful glitter swatches from my company GlamourEyesByChar. I'll leave all of the information to the glitters in the goodie box down below so you can check it out. I hope that you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you'd like to see more glitter swatches, comment down below, and also let me know which glitter was your favorite. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!